Hello there. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of changing your relationship status to in an open relationship on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner to access your profile. Step 3. Navigate to the About section. Step 4. In the Family and Relationships tab, click on the Edit icon next to your current relationship. Step 5. Select In an Open Relationship from the available options. Step 6. Finally, click on Save. Congratulations! You have successfully updated your relationship status to In an Open Relationship on Facebook. Your friends and connections will now see your updated relationship status. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.